Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There in this video we are going to discuss the MCQs of Chemistry 12 Chapter 2 S block element. First MCQs is which one of the following does not belong to alkaline earth metals? Beryllium, radium, barium or radon. There radon does not belong to alkaline earth metal. It is a noble gas and is radioactive. So the exact answer is Rn, radon. Next, the oxides of beryllium are acidic, basic, amphoteric or none of these. There beryllium oxide is amphoteric because it behaves as an acid with bases and as base with acids. Other member of this group give basic oxide. So the exact answer is amphoteric. The oxides of beryllium are amphoteric. Which ion will have maximum values of heat of hydration? Sodium ion, cesium ion, barium ion or magnesium ion. There magnesium ion has the smallest possible size with a double positive charge among the given ones. It has maximum charge density and has maximum value of heat of hydration. So the exact answer is magnesium ion. Next, which one of the following is not an alkali metals? Francium, cesium, rubidium or radium. There radium is an alkaline earth metal. Other francium, cesium and rubidium belongs to group 1A. So the exact answer is radium. Which one of the following is not an alkali metal? Radium. Next, which of the following sulfate is not soluble in water? Sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate, zinc sulfate or barium sulfate. There barium sulfate is a water insoluble. Sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate and zinc sulfate are water soluble. So the exact answer is barium sulfate. This element cesium bears resemblances with calcium, chromium, both of these metals and none of these. There cesium is an alkali metals and it does not resemble with calcium and chromium. Calcium belongs to 2A group while chromium belongs to 6B group. None of these metal. The element cesium bear resemblances with none of these metal. Next, chilled saltpeter has the chemical formula NaNO3, KNO2, Na2B4O7, Na2CO3.H2O, and there NaNO3 is the chemical formula of chilled saltpeter. So the exact answer is NaNO3. The mineral CaSO4.2H2O has the general name gypsum, dolomite, calcite or Epsom salt. There CaSO4.2H2O is called gypsum. It is an ore of calcium. So the exact answer is gypsum. Downcell is used to prepare sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium metal, sodium hydroxide. There downcell is an electrolytic cell in which sodium metal is extracted by the electrolysis of molten NaCl. So the exact answer is sodium metal. And downcells is used to prepare sodium metal. Which element is deposited at the cathode during the electrolysis of brine in diaphragm cell? Hydrogen, sodium, chlorine gas or oxygen gas. There during the electrolysis of brine in Nelson cells, hydrogen is deposited at cathode. 2 molecules of water takes 2 electrons and converted into 2 hydroxyl group and hydrogen gas. So the exact answer is H2. देर आज के लिए इतना ही. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.